In the capital city today at Atlantic Place in downtown St. John's, Liberal leader John Hogan vowed to make the province a safer place if re-elected.
We know that crime and drug use not only threatens our sense of security, but it puts a strain on our healthcare systems and our justice system.
Hogan highlighted some work that was done while he was Justice Minister and Premier, including increased funding to police agencies, as well as the implementation of a police transformation working group. But Hogan pledged today that his government would get more officers on the ground and help pay to do so.
We'll hire 90 new RNC officers by 2030 to reach and maintain the Canadian police-to-population ratio. To achieve this, we will immediately increase the subsidization of police training costs, granting each new RNC recruit a $20,000 bursary toward the completion of a police science certificate at the Atlantic Police Academy in Prince Edward Island. We also recognize the critical role of the RCMP, particularly in rural and remote areas of our province. So we will renegotiate our policing contract with the RCMP to ensure that they deploy 30 additional officers here in our province.
The Liberals and Tories have been hitting on similar themes in recent days, leading the Tories to accuse the Liberals of running a copy and paste campaign. John Hogan responded to those claims on Wednesday morning.
Yeah, I'd say we're different because a lot of the things I've heard they've adopted, we've already done. They've talked about free nurse practitioner visits. We announced that a couple of months ago. They talked about flights for healthcare reasons. We announced that, and that's already been implemented with Heart Force One, with plans to expand that for other individuals in the province. They announced RNCs, new members. As I said, we've already implemented a plan to have 50 new RNC officers in this province.
Hogan says tackling crime in the province requires an approach that combines strong law enforcement along with measures to address the root causes of criminal activity, and says a re-elected Liberal government would increase investments in mental health and addictions programming. Beth, Penney, NTV News.